For decades, making anything meant starting with more material than you needed and cutting away everything that wasn't the object. A block of steel became a gear only after enough of it was shaved off. That was the only way to build things. Until one engineer, working on something completely unrelated, stumbled onto the opposite idea. He wasn't trying to invent a new kind of manufacturing. He was testing UV light on resin coatings for tabletops, watching the light harden the liquid wherever it touched. Then he wondered what would happen if that light could trace a shape instead of just a surface. One paper-thin layer, then another layer on top, each one fusing to the last until a solid object existed that had never been cut, molded, or carved. In 1983, he cured the first object built this way, a small eye wash cup, and a technology was born that built things up instead of cutting them down. For years, it stayed locked in industrial labs, machines costing over $100,000, reserved for aerospace companies and car manufacturers. Then, a key patent expired, and everything changed. Hobbyists got their hands on the technology and started building their own machines. Some even designed to print copies of their own parts. Prices crashed. What once needed a factory now fit on a desk. Today, that same layer-by-layer mechanism prints prosthetic limbs shaped to a single patient's bones, engine parts NASA sends into orbit, houses built in a day, and entire meals extruded from edible paste. Artists, engineers, and backyard tinkerers are all using the exact same principle that started with a cup of resin under a beam of light. Nothing about it looks complicated. It just builds, one invisible layer at a time.